We are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here. And I got more doorknobs for my rental property. I got this off of Amazon. I'm not sure of the brand. Here it is right here, made in China. It came in a 6-pack. This is the one my girlfriend picked out to match. She's taking out the old one right now. It's a security lock, so it's not with a key.
A privacy lock.
A privacy lock. So this way, you know, people can still lock the door and have privacy, but, you know, not have to deal with whatever. So that's why we got this. So she's gonna pop this in real quick for us and show us what it looks like and what color. She picked out satin nickel, I think. So let's see what this looks like. Let me get a knife. All right, here we go. So we're gonna open this up for her. This is what it looks like. It's very cheap, very simple. I got it like that on purpose because we don't want people getting locked into the crap. So here's what it looks like right there. It's a little shiny, right? It feels very cheap. I feel it. I mean, it's not supposed to be got it, you know. But very shiny, right? It looks like stainless steel, not satin chrome. Didn't we get satin chrome? I thought we got satin chrome. Here. That's the little key and the thing. Here's this that goes in. All right, here's this that goes in right here. We're gonna pop this in right here. It looks very shiny compared to the other ones. So you're gonna see how shiny that looks. We should change those, right, to these, so they match. Yes, yeah, I put it the wrong way. Wrong way, other way. I'm like 2 steps ahead, man. Come on, I'm not playing around. Alright, so that's it. That's the installation on that. That's what you can expect it to look like. It feels very cheap, yes, consider that. So that's a review of feeling. It does feel cheap, but it's definitely not a name brand that I can know about. It was from Amazon, but it locks and it's gonna work good enough, so. Alright, so any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Everybody enjoy. Bye-bye. Be safe.